Hello, I'm Joanne Law, Director of Mediation Institute, and I want to tell you about a new course that we're offering, a standalone unit of competency from the Graduate Diploma of Family Dispute Resolution, work within a family law environment. We've developed this to coincide with the new amendments to the family law system to make sure that people are up to date with the changes. I'm sorry, this isn't a very exciting video. It's really just explaining the course content and requirements regarding assessment if you do want a statement of attainment. This unit's all about the skills and knowledge required to determine and respond to the family law requirements, working collaboratively within the family law system. It also requires you to demonstrate your ability to contribute to improved work practices linked with family law. This is a unit of competence that does apply to family relationship counsellors, children's contact service workers, intake workers and other service providers working within the context of family law, but we've really designed it specifically for family dispute resolution practitioners. So others could do it, but it won't be tailored specifically to you as much as FDRPs. The nominal hours to complete the unit of competence are 75 hours. I wouldn't expect that it would take that long. In a unit of competence, the elements are the main things that you need to demonstrate. They are determine and respond to family law requirements, collaborate with others in the family law system, and contribute to workplace improvements. I'm not going to read right through all of the required knowledge. You can stop the video and have a look if you'd like, but this is basically what you need to know to work within the family law system as a family dispute resolution practitioner or one of those other roles. Here are those three elements again, and the performance criteria are the ways that you actually do those. One of the core values that we have at Mediation Institute is access to quality training for people no matter what their circumstances are. So you've got the option of participating in trainer-led workshop sessions or recorded webinars, a structured self-paced study through our learning management system. There's going to be some research of resources, including the relevant legislation and information provided by the Attorney General's Department, family courts and family violence courts, online group discussions and knowledge sharing, and if needed, individual mentoring. If you're already working in a family law environment, if you're a registered FDRP, then this is really intended to bring you up to date with the current legislation, and you will be able to demonstrate competence through workplace evidence. This is the layout of the course. Module 1's working within the family law environment overview, then the role of the family dispute resolution practitioner, the family law system in Australia, the family violence system in Australia, other relevant legislation, family law forms and processes. We'll look at a few of those. We'll cover the requirement to seek support and collaboration in the role of family dispute resolution, a look at family dynamics in different cultures, and conclusion and practical assessment of evidence. If you are doing our FDR course, that will be through role play, or it could be workplace evidence. Because we're providing competency-based training, there's always going to be assessment. There's a number of quizzes, there's some written work, there's a portfolio, and role play observations or workplace assessment. Now, if you aren't interested in the statement of attainment, the fee is a little bit less, and also you won't need to put in those final skills evidence. You can just do the quizzes and other activities for your own benefit. We are offering this training as a course with content that's new. The Family Law Amendment Acts only came into effect on the 6th of May. So we won't be offering a discount for how you can put the case for alternative assessment. You might have something from the workplace that you can provide as evidence. For example, you may have been working on updating policies and processes because of the amendments, and you can certainly provide that as evidence rather than the tasks we set. This unit of competence provides foundational knowledge required to work effectively within the family law system in a specialist role such as family dispute resolution practitioner. We've updated the content to take into account the various changes that have happened over the last few years, including the Family Law Act amendments. If this is of interest to you, please visit the Mediation Institute website. You can find out more about the course and how to enrol. If you're with an agency, we do have discounts available, so get in touch and we can take you through that.